What if I told you there's a simple movement, no equipment, no machines that can build leg strength, boost your energy, improve posture, and yes, even support your libido? Sounds wild, right? But it's real. And most people, over 50, have never even heard of it. It's called the horse stance, and while it may look like just standing, don't be fooled. This centuries-old pose has been practiced by martial artists, healers, and athletes. Not for how it looks, but for what it does. Here's the kicker. It takes just 2 minutes a day. You can do it in your living room, kitchen, or even next to your bed. No gym, no running, no strain on your joints. But the real magic? It trains your mind just as much as your muscles. And what it does for your balance, joints, pelvic health, hormones, and focus might truly surprise you. So stick with me, because benefit number 7 is something nobody talks about, but everyone over 50 should know. Before we get started, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. 1. Ground up strength. Let's face it, after 50, leg strength isn't just about looks. It's about getting up from a chair without help, climbing stairs without pain, walking without fear of falling. The horse stance acts like a power station for your lower body. When you sink into it, your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves all fire at once, and they stay active the whole time. There's no jumping, no pounding, just pure, controlled tension. And that's where the magic happens. Unlike fast exercises that wear down your knees, this stance builds strength without wear and tear. It's gentle on your joints but tough on your muscles, the perfect combo for an aging body. The stronger your legs are, the more independent you remain. From carrying groceries to catching yourself on a slick floor, your legs are your life support. Just 2 minutes a day can restore power you didn't know you'd lost and give you a steady, grounded feeling that spills into every part of life. Because aging gracefully doesn't mean losing strength. It means building smarter. To the core, your hidden lifeline. Most people think core strength means abs, but after 50, it's about stability, posture, and spine protection. The horse stance works your entire midsection, front, sides, and deep lower back, all at once. As you hold still, your body must balance without leaning or collapsing. That effort? That's your core firing quietly in the background. A stronger core means less back pain, better posture, and smoother movement. Simple daily tasks, turning while driving, standing in line, or getting out of bed become easier. Forget crunches. Forget planks that strain the neck. This is core endurance, the kind that holds you upright through life. Because after 50, your core isn't cosmetic, it's foundational. 3. Balance and body awareness. One of the earliest signs of aging isn't wrinkles, it's loss of balance. You don't notice it until you stumble, miss a step, or start grabbing furniture for support. The horse stance retrains your body's internal GPS at something called proprioception. By holding still, your brain learns exactly where your body is in space again. It's like recalibrating your balance system, quietly, safely, and effectively. With time, you move with more confidence, whether hiking, gardening, or simply walking across a wet floor. And the best part? No one-leg tricks, no fancy equipment, just you, your breath, and stillness. Because falls aren't just accidents, they're warnings. This stance helps prevent them before they happen. 4. Pelvic and circulatory vitality. Let's talk about something people rarely do. Pelvic health. After 50, circulation and vitality in that region can decline, affecting everything from bladder control to sexual wellness. The horse stance activates deep muscles around the hips and pelvis, boosting blood flow and gently stimulating tissue health. For men, this means better vascular function and endurance. For women, stronger pelvic floor tone and improved stability. It's not about vanity, it's about staying connected to your body. And when paired with calm breathing, this stance lowers stress hormones, helping with sleep, mood, and inner energy. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down, it can mean waking up. 5. Mind training through the body. After half a minute in the stance, your legs tremble. Your thoughts say, stop, but you stay. And in that stillness, something changes. You're not just building muscle, you're building mental resilience. This is quiet toughness, the kind that helps you face stress, setbacks, and sleepless nights. Science confirms it. Controlled isometric exercise paired with slow breathing lowers cortisol and boosts emotional stability. Because life won't always get easier, but you can get stronger. Inside and out, this isn't just exercise. It's emotional armor. 6. Joint health without pain. Knees ache, hips stiffen, and movement gets heavier with age. But joints don't fail because you get older. They fail because they stop being trained the right way. The horse stance rebuilds joint integrity through still aligned tension, a method called isometric loading. Your knees, hips, and ankles all work together, strengthening the tendons and ligaments that hold everything in place. Without grinding or strain, think of it as building an invisible scaffolding, silent support, structures that keep you stable and pain-free. So even if you've avoided exercise out of fear of hurting your joints, this movement works with them, not against them. 7. Unlock the hips, unlock the life. Tight hips, difficulty bending or sitting long. You're not alone. Stiffness in the hips is one of aging's sneakiest thieves. The horse stance gently opens the hips and pelvis, improving flexibility safely without jerky stretches. Better hip mobility means improved posture, digestion, and circulation, and a lower risk of falls. Even a shallow version of the stance helps loosen those joints. When your hips move freely, the rest of your body and life follows. 8. Hormonal balance and energy renewal. After 50, hormones shift, energy drops, mood swings rise, motivation fades. But your body isn't broken. It just needs the right signal. The horse stance delivers that signal naturally. It lowers cortisol, boosts testosterone and endorphins, and enhances circulation. The result? More vitality, clearer thinking, steadier emotions. It's not a miracle, it's mechanics. You're reminding your body, I'm still here, I still move, I still matter, and your body responds. Navi, a full-body gym you already own. Here's the hidden genius. The horse stance quietly activates nearly every major muscle, legs, core, back, shoulders, and even arms, without a single step. It's a full-body workout in disguise. Because it's safe. Because it's short. It's sustainable. Because it's simple, it gets done. You don't need a gym membership. You just need a habit. Whether you're at home, on vacation, or retired by the sea, your gym is already built into your body. You just have to take a stance. 10. How to begin safely. Start with feet together. Step out, toes out, then heels out, until you're double shoulder width apart. Turn your toes slightly outward. Slowly lower your hips like you're sitting on an invisible stool. Keep your back straight, chest up, knees aligned over toes. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Over time, work up to 1 to 2 minutes. Avoid if you've had recent surgery, uncontrolled blood pressure, or severe balance issues. And as always, check with your doctor first. Final reflection. The power of stillness. In a world that's louder and faster every day, the horse stance reminds us of something timeless. Stillness is strength. It won't go viral. It won't win races, but it works. Because what we truly need now isn't more chaos. It's balance, focus, and quiet confidence from within. 2 minutes of stillness. That's it. So Asim, will you try it? Stand up. Find a quiet spot. Sink in. Let your body remind you what it's capable of. Let your mind feel grounded again. And if you already practiced the horse stance, share your experience in the comments. How long can you hold it? Because sometimes the smallest daily action becomes the biggest shift of your life.